In this video, I'll show you how to use and change colors, as well as how to move individual letters within a word using the Nathan font. Using the drag and drop method, we simply drop our BX file into Embrilliance to install it. Then, we click on the button with the letter A icon to open the text function. You'll see the default text A, B, C appear on the screen. From the menu, we locate our purchased font and select the Nathan font. This is how it looks. Now we type the desired text. You can enter just a name or multiple lines. I'm typing the name Nathan as well. And now we have our word ready. Next, we'll start customizing it. We can see a green dot on each letter right in the center. So we click on a letter and then click on this green dot, and the letter will appear in a separate dotted square. This means the letter is selected. Now we can perform various actions with it. Next, we'll start changing its color. Now, we select the next letter, A, and again click on the green dot in the center. We go to the menu on the right and click the button labeled Color. This brings up a dialog box in the middle of the screen where you can choose a color. So, we can change the color letter by letter, which is quick and efficient. Next, I'll show you how to move a letter. Next, I'll show you how to move a letter. Click on the letter in the center, preferably on the green dot, and then you can move it as needed. You can also rotate it when the specific letter is selected in the dotted box. To do this, click on the letter and then on the green dot. When the thin line around the letter becomes black and dotted, it means you can adjust it. This way, you can arrange texts in a circle, in an arc, diagonally, and more. You can also use the menu on the right to shift letters together with one button or give them a slight tilt. Today, we're unveiling a brand new embroidery font that comes with 4 different shadows. Plus, it's currently priced at 10% off. I utilized Embrilliance to organize colors and arrange the letters. Embrilliance is truly the simplest method for accomplishing this. Here's a rundown of my fonts. Choose the one with the 4 shadows, and you'll witness just how charming it looks. I'm personally typing the TM letters on the keyboard, which are the initials for my customer. After that, I arrange the M below, and the result is incredibly adorable. It creates a stunning effect. To organize the colors, you'll first need to convert your design to a stitch file. And right there, you'll find a color menu. Simply drag and drop the colors into the required sequence. Once I had my file saved in the necessary format, I proceeded to select the colors. My customer wanted me to make the decision, so I turned to Adobe Illustrator to explore the most popular color palettes. Among them, I was particularly drawn to the Travel Color Palette, and that became my ultimate choice. I then selected the required threads based on this palette. The stitching process didn't take too long. I was able to get everything ready quite quickly. I'm really excited to showcase the final results to my customer.